If our assessment of burial 27 and that this male victim, gunshot victim, is in fact a massacre victim, then we will have successfully located the first victim of the massacre, and the first of what we hope, will be others that we uncover as well as we proceed with this investigation. And for me, that's a demonstration that our methods work, and that we were successful at identifying identifying the victim and recovering one of the bullets during the excavation process, and then having that assessment corroborated by the forensic team and their incredible work and expanded upon as well. And that to me is something that is, I'm just extremely proud of our team and the great work that they've done. I think it's important to note that we do have a DNA component of this research that we're hopeful will allow for identification, not just of burial 27 and that individual, but perhaps others amongst our burial population that were exhumed this past summer. And so I'm going to let Phoebe is more into the forensic side of things here, but it's one of these things where we are somewhat cautious in terms of using terms like consistent with, because, of course, we lack some of the other kinds of information that we might otherwise want to provide a more definitive response. But I'll let Phoebe kind of speak to that a little bit more as well.
And so following the path of the investigation, we had our exhumations in June, and we signed a contract. We signed a contract with the Intermountain Forensics in January. And so the process of creating a DNA ID, in this case, using genealogical resources to match DNA to an existing family, it can take months, or to associate DNA with an existing family. It's a months-long process, and there still aren't guarantees. We've yet to extract DNA. Now we do have a DNA company signed on, and an attempt at identification will occur.